All right, welcome to our life in the Philippines. So, today we're taking a little ride. Um, we said we are going
Park.
to the park. We got tired of sitting at home. It's time to go out and start exercising.
Yes. For me also.
Yeah, well,
Been a long time.
been a long time. You know what happened was like we started going to the park almost every day and
Yeah.
walked like how long? You know, an hour and a half.
Sometimes 2 hours.
Sometimes up to 2 hours, and then March 15 came and lockdowns and checkpoints and everything. So the park, and that's where we're heading up to the CDC grounds, to the park inside Clark. So, and I got my wife with me today, riding.
Of course, I'm the one who say that we need to go to the park and do jogging or walking.
Right. So we're gonna head up there. We are right now in Dau, passing to the left. We have One North Mall. So we're gonna take a little ride up the frontage road that runs parallel with Walking Street, right? And go up that way and give you a little show of Perimeter Road and Don Yugo.
Yeah. Just show you how the traffic goes.
Yeah. Well, here it's not bad. You know, you've got the checkpoint here, right?
Yeah,
So
this is the first checkpoint we passed inside the O and going out the O.
right, and right now, right here, the checkpoint. I think what they're looking for more than anything is just compliance with mask wearing.
Yeah, and then some of the tricycle that don't have proper plate on the back.
Yeah, that was yesterday though.
Yeah.
Was somebody who didn't have any plates on the back and all that. They got pulled over and everybody got held up. But that happens.
Yeah.
So
Oh, you remember on this area, the circle area yesterday,
Oh, yeah,
the other
yeah.
day, there's a lot of water.
yesterday it was like incredible. We had a huge rain come down yesterday.
Yeah.
And this roundabout, not on this side, but on the other side on MacArthur,
Yeah.
there was probably a foot of water there.
It's like a swimming pool.
Yeah, big swimming pool. Today is a beautiful day. We think we might get some rain later. It's about 4 o'clock in the
Yeah.
afternoon, and we're gonna head up. All right, everybody's in a hurry right here, but so am I. So
Every day, this is the the popular view in the Philippines. Traffic.
yeah, traffic.
Traffic.
And I love this bike I'm riding because it's not that heavy and it's very easy to maneuver between cars and all that. So it's pretty cool. Madison Hotel has turned into
Like a hospital. It's like
no, it's
medical something.
yeah, it's a laboratory, right? And I think that was where Brian tested positive. I'm
Really?
Not, yeah, I'm not 100% sure, but I think it was right there. And had a little question about how they could.
Do a test here in the Philippines.
Right. Yeah, here to the left we have Walking Street, and we're gonna head up straight up to Koreatown.
Yeah. Some of the establishments here are open.
Yeah, it seems like they're opening more and more. There is not so many bars and things open, but I think the establishment
Like restaurant.
Restaurants are open, and now they have taken away the a lot of the what do you call it, quarantine.
Yeah.
There's still, I think, some form of quarantine, but it's eased up a lot. And I heard actually, somebody told me that the Turkey said we got to open up and we got to take the consequences of that, because the economy here is suffering
Yeah.
severely.
No, yeah. No. Tourists, no income.
Yeah, well, yeah, this city is living off of tourism more than anything, and right now there's not a whole lot of tourists, and I think a lot of the guys that lived here prior to COVID,
Yeah.
they're also left the country and went back home or to some other countries. I hear some guys have gone to Costa Rica and Colombia and a few other places. So
Those places has no something like this in the Philippines.
you mean the walking street?
No, I mean a quarantine or something.
Oh yeah, I'm sure they do, but Philippines probably has some of the strictest rules in the entire world,
Yeah.
and for the good or for the bad, I don't know. I don't know anything about the science of it, and I'm not going to comment on it. But anyway, that's just the way it is. Beautiful day, but if you see the skies now suddenly going up towards Clark here, got gray, and it looks a little darker. But I think we can get this in before the rain comes. Louis Graham to the left, and here Iglesia ni Cristo. Up here comes. Yeah, this is no longer the. Well, it's still an Italian restaurant, but it's not Amore Mio
It's not
anymore. We had our friends there. Up here by.
Blues Bar? No.
No, not the Blues Bar. By Blue Book.
Blue Book.
Blue Book is up here, right? It's in this building right here. Blue Book to the left, you see it.
Yeah.
And also this motorcycle, Nice Bike. I've heard he is closing or selling his business or whatever. Anybody wants to buy a motorcycle rental, I'm sure he would take your call if that's true. So we'll see. All right, so what are we going to do up in the park today? We were talking about that earlier. You and I was walking. Actually, more you than me.
I walk a lot.
You walk a lot. You walk like 10,000 steps a day up there, walking around.
I think I walk 3 or 4 laps.
3-4 laps, yeah. Each lap around the park up there is, I think, about 2.5-3 kilometers or something like that. It's pretty far distance actually.
Yeah.
It's a big big ground. That's where they had some of the what do you call it? Asian games. What did they call them, huh?
Yeah, the Asian.
What? No, it was called something. You remember we went to New Clark City?
Yeah, I don't know. I forgot.
Yeah. We had some videos about that. It was in November of 2000.
SEA Games.
SEA Games
Yeah,
is the
SEA
word we're
Games.
looking for. That's true.
Oh, my memory is so very.
Right. Well, that was where you got pickpocketed, right?
Yeah, my wallet lost.
She got pickpocketed. Somebody stole her wallet. Did you
Yeah.
lose your license also then?
No,
No, you had nothing in there, right?
I'd be lucky because the pocketer didn't get my cell phone and my license, because I bring the small wallet only for coins, and then some little like a big
Yeah.
not big
Pocket money.
yeah, pocket money.
And
So he or she get that money. It's not a big deal.
no, it wasn't that bad. But every time you have that happen to you, you feel violated.
Yeah,
You
by
know,
my own country.
by your own country. Yeah, you got a lot of pickpocketers here.
Yeah, remember when we first
Got married?
yeah, we went to the like an pawn shop, or we were just looking for a wedding ring, wedding band.
Yeah, well, it was a jewelry shop.
Jewelry shop.
Yeah. All right, so here is Friendship Highway to the left. And we're going to head up to Friendship Gate and get into Clark.
Much more better.
It's a nice day, though.
Yeah.
It has been seriously, very, very hot lately.
Oh yes.
Like for the Americans, if I say 100 plus degrees, you understand. And when you then add 70, 65, 70, 75% humidity to it, you take a shower on Monday and on Friday you're still not dry. All right, so here we are coming up to the Friendship Gate and entering into the Freeport zone. So they don't give much room there for the motorcycles.
Yeah, it's not very.
It's getting narrower and narrower every day. I guess they want them to slow down. So, all right, right straight ahead of us, we have the Clark International Airport. That has been a lot of construction done also during this past year. It's incredible.
Yeah. Yeah. This road is so very nice.
Oh yeah, they have redone all this. Before it was a kind of a bumpy concrete road, and now it's absolutely just
Smooth.
smooth. So it's tempting to hit the gas pedal here, but
Yeah, but excuse me, you have your passengers of the back.
yeah, I know. She's always sitting on the brake all the time. But the truth of the matter is, when you actually get into Clark, you feel like you are coming into a different world.
Yeah.
You know, here's where the upper middle class lives, and it's a totally different environment from if you go back down into downtown Angeles.
Yeah. I think these places are, I can call it safer place. You can.
Yeah, they keep after crime up here for
Yeah.
sure.
Remember, there is a military, like a housing over there, military.
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah.
Barracks.
Yeah, I think the barracks. This is. Oh, look at the helicopter up there. I think
Yeah.
that is. It almost looks painted. Don't know if you can see that on the picture or on the image, but it looks like a Coast Guard helicopter. So they have. I think the Philippine Air Force is up here.
Yeah.
I'm not 100% sure exactly how that is.
There's a military barracks inside this
Yeah.
area.
But this area recovered after 1991 when they had Pinatubo
Yeah.
blowing some smoke.
Oh yeah.
So it looks good. So you can go to the CDC Park. You can go left here, but we're going straight up,
The next stoplight.
and we're going to head up to the park coming in from the other side.
Yeah.
Here's that.
See, on the right side, there's a lot of construction going.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but I know that they're constructing a lot of stuff right now.
This hotel or a casino?
Could be. Marriott has been doing it here, and a lot of other things.
Yeah.
All right, so let's hit the pedal here. Light is green, and we're gonna head up that way.
Yeah. We are almost at the bar.
Yeah, and wifey's gonna take a walk, and I'll probably walk at least one turn with her.
Yeah.
And we might do a little vlog once we are up here, do something different. But this be the intro to the CDC, or entrance into CDC. I love this park. Just
This be the right ano is like a museum.
yeah, I think it's like
Museum.
museum of,
Museum.
of some sort.
Museum.
Don't know exactly what is there, but you know, there's probably things we should check out at some point.
Yeah, we need to check it out.
Here are the guards. They holler at you sometimes if you don't stop properly.
Yeah.
All right. This is a beautiful park. A lot of space, and today, you know, looking at what we're seeing here, there is not a whole lot of people here right now.
That'd be good. Not a lot of people. Do you remember before? Oh my gulay.
Yeah, well, we're fairly early today. A lot of people come here, bring their picnic, and they have their dinner in the park at night, in the evening. We are early, so
Or maybe also it's Monday today, so that's why.
yeah, a lot of people are up here on the weekends.
Yeah.
Look at that truck. He was in front of us at the Friendship Gate. We caught up with him. So we are going to go on the other side of the park and try to
Find the
park there and see what's going on there.
yeah.
We like to park on the other side. It has a couple of convenience stores right there, 7-Eleven, and a few other things. So it's more convenient to come down there and
Eat,
buy some snacks,
buy some snacks.
order some
But
Coke.
much better if you bring your own food.
Yeah. Well, we have to do that maybe some other time. Not
Yeah.
today.
Not today.
Today is water and walking.
Sweet.
Yeah. We pack up a big bottle of pretty much a 2-liter Coke, freeze it so it's frozen,
Yeah.
and bring it. And once you have walked a couple of turns here, it is plenty of good drinking water.
Yeah.
So
That would be a practical way to do it because I don't want to spend any on the 7-Eleven.
no, my wife don't want to spend money at all.
Yeah.
Hey, it looks like this says no entry here. That is unusual, so we gotta head back. Let's head back, huh?
We need to go to the first parking lot.
Yeah, they have a big parking lot on the other side. I was just wanted to park up here because of convenience, but it's okay. normally, one of the reasons I like to park there, normally there is actually security guards there, so they kind of watch your motorcycles and any suspicious things going on. They keep an eye on things, and sometimes I even leave, you know. Yeah, for sure I leave helmets and everything sitting like it is.
Yeah.
But anyway, this is the trip we have done, and we are at our destination. And thank you for watching. Don't forget our live feeds on Thursdays at 8 a.m. here in Philippines, at 8 p.m. in Eastern Standard Time. So God bless, and we'll see you soon again.